How to use Funnelish. Step 1. Go to the Funnelish website and create an account. And once you confirm your email, you can now log into your dashboard. Step 2. On the main dashboard, you can click Create Funnel or you can use a template. And then continue. Set your name. After that, you can choose a template from the Funnelish library or start from scratch, depending on your goals, whether it's selling products, capturing leads, or running an e-commerce store. Step 3. Use the drag and drop builder to edit your funnel. And then you can add text, images, timers, order bumps, and upsells directly in the editor in your liking. Funnelish is designed to work seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, so you can sync your products easily. Step 4. Go into the settings and connect your Stripe and PayPal or other payment processes that you have. And this ensures that your checkout page can process payments securely and easily. Step 5. Funnelish allows you to integrate email marketing tools and track conversions with analytics, and then set up automations for abandoned carts, upsell offers, or follow-up emails. Step 6. Once everything looks good, you can now hit publish button and always run a test order to make sure that your payments and automations are working. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.